Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding dong dong, ding dong dong. So, hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Tell me, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am also fine, but as usual, I miss all of you a lot. So tell me, as like as our rhyme, are you sleeping? Yeah? Still now, are you sleeping? Oh baby, please wake up and please join our online class. So everyone, tell me, what class you will do now? Could you tell me what class you will do now? Okay, no problem. I will tell you. Today we will do our online GK class. Which class? Online GK class mean general knowledge class. Okay everyone, now we will do our general knowledge class. Do you remember what we learned our previous classes? Yes, now Miss will ask you about those questions and you have to answer me. So tell me, what is the name of our principal? Do you remember? Yes, the answer is the name of our principal is Professor Muhammad Ashraf Hussain. What? What is the answer? The name of our principal is Professor Muhammad Ashraf Hussain. Very good. Miss will give lots of stars. Now tell me, what is, do you remember what was our second question? Yes, Miss will ask you now. Tell me, how many eyes and ears do you have? Do you remember? What is the answer? Yes, the answer is I have two eyes and two ears. What is the answer? The answer is I have two eyes and two ears. So tell me, how many hands and legs do you have? What is the answer? The answer is I have two hands and two legs. I have two hands and two legs. Yes, very good. So you have already learned it. Okay, and do you remember what is the color of your hair? The question is, what is the color of your hair? Look at the mirror and answer me. Yes, you all are right. The answer is the color of my hair is black. Black, black, black. What is the answer? The color of my hair is black. So, these are all our previous classes question. Now, we will learn new question. Okay everyone, look at the screen. What is this? Oh, this is a white screen. Okay, Miss will do a magic and now tell me, what is this? Wow, a yellow flower. Do you know what is the name of the flower is? Yes, the name of the flower is sunflower. What? Sunflower. Okay, now tell me, what is this? A very beautiful white flower? Yes. Now tell me, what is the name of the flower? Yes, the name of the flower is jasmine. What? Jasmine. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? Wow, a purple flower. Do you know what is the name of the flower is? Yes, orchid. Do you ever seen this flower? I think so. Of course, in the flower shop. Now tell me, what is this? Do you know what flower is this? Yes, this is dahlia. Now, Miss will show you a very interesting flower. Do you know why? Yes, because I know you all are know about this flower. When I see, when I ask you, tell me what is the name of the flower? I know you all said it very loudly. So tell me, what is this? Yes, you all are right. This is rose. What flower is this? This is rose. Okay, now another one. Yes, Miss will show you another picture and you have to tell me what flower is this. What is this? Yes, this is water lily. What is this? This is water lily, our national flower. Among all of these, water lily is our national flower. Okay. Okay. So now we will learn our today new GK question. Do you know what is our question? Okay, Miss will tell you. Don't worry. What is this? Yes, this is our today's new question. Do you know what is the question? Our today's new general knowledge question is, what is the name of our national flower? What? Our new general knowledge question is, what is the name of our national flower? And do you remember in this previous slide, Miss will show you some picture of flower and you recognize all the flower? Yes, but all of them are not our national flower. Among of them, one is our national flower. And do you know the answer? Yes, the answer is, the name of our national flower is water lily. What? Water lily. And this is our water lily. This is the picture of water lily. This is a very nice white flower, is it? Yes, and some yellow shade. And the leaves are green. And there are lots of water. So this is our national flower. And our means in our country, Bangladesh. What is the name of our country? Bangladesh. And what is the national flower of Bangladesh? The name of our national flower is water lily, because this water lily is very popular in our country, and everywhere this is very nice to be seen. So what is our general knowledge question? The question is, what is the name of our national flower? And the answer is, the name of our national flower is water lily. What? Water lily. This is a very beautiful flower and available in our country. That's why this is our national flower, Bangladesh national flower. So everyone tell with me, what is the name of our national flower? The answer is, the name of our national flower is water lily. The name of our national flower is water lily. Again, tell with me, what is the name of our national flower? The name of our national flower is water lily. What? Water lily. Okay everyone, now we will listen our rhyme about water lily.
Orange. I'm a lily so slender, I live in a pond, so pure and so tender, with love I am bound. I come in pretty colors of cream, pink and white. I'm given to loved ones by day or by night. I'm a lily so slender, I live in a pond, so pure and so tender, with love I am bound. I come in pretty colors of cream, pink and white. I'm given to loved ones by day or by night.
Oh, another white skin. Okay, no problem. Again, Miss will show you some picture you have to recognize them. And this is our today's game. If you recognize it correctly, then Miss will give you lots of star. So everyone, tell me, what is this? Wow, this is a fruit. This is a yummy fruit. Do you know what is the name of the fruit is? Yes, the name of the fruit is mango. What? Mango. Yummy mango. Now tell me, what is this? This is grape. What is this? This is grape. Green grape. Now Miss will show you another fruit and you have to recognize that. Tell me, what is this? Yellow fruit. Do you know what is the name of the fruit is? Yes, a very common fruit. Most of us eat it every day. And what is the name of the fruit is? Yes, banana. What? Banana. Now tell me, what is this? This is orange. What? Orange. We already draw a orange in our drawing class. Is it? Yes. This is also a yummy fruit. Contain lot of vitamin C. So this is orange. Now tell me, what is this? Wow, a big fruit, green color big fruit. What is the name of the fruit is? Yes, this is also a very common. This is watermelon. What? This is watermelon. Now tell me, what is this? What? This is pineapple. What is this? This is pineapple. Now Miss will show you another fruit and you have to tell me, what is this? This is, wow, this is jackfruit. Do you know what is the name of the fruit is? Yes, jackfruit. The name of this fruit is jackfruit. And do you know why this fruit is so famous? Yes, this is our national fruit. This is our national fruit. This is Bangladesh. That means our country's national fruit. So what is the national fruit of Bangladesh? Jackfruit. So there are lots of fruits. Among them, jackfruit is our national fruit. Okay everyone, jackfruit is our national fruit and very tasty fruit. So everyone, what is this? This is jackfruit. So do you know what is our second general knowledge question? Yes, our today's second one general knowledge question is, what is the name of our national fruit? What is the name of our national fruit? And the answer is, the name of our national fruit is jackfruit. What? Jackfruit. So what is the name of our national fruit? The name of our national fruit is jackfruit. Our means, do you know what? Yes, our means our country. Our country name is Bangladesh. Yes. So what is the national fruit of Bangladesh? And the answer is, the name of our national fruit is jackfruit. That means Bangladesh national fruit is jackfruit. Do you know why? Yes, this is very sweet and as well as tasty, but also available in our country. Yes, in our country everywhere, most of the place we see jackfruit tree and it is very available, and of course price is also low, and but contain lot of vitamin C and very tasty fruit and energetic fruit also. If someone take jackfruit, that person only not only take lots of vitamin C, but it's also give him lots of strength. Yes, that's why in our country Bangladesh jackfruit is available, and that's why the jackfruit is our national fruit. So what is our question? What is the name of our national fruit? And what is the answer? The name of our national fruit is jackfruit. What? Jackfruit. This is green color and yellow shade. Yes, this is green color, very hard body but very tasty. Do you ever eat? Yes, you should eat jackfruit because it contains lots of vitamin C and also it gives us strength. So everyone tell me, what is the name of our national fruit? The name of our national fruit is jackfruit. Again tell with me, the name of our national fruit is jackfruit. So now we will listen. Right now we will listen a rhyme about what? About jackfruit. But before that, everyone tell me, what we learn today? Today we will learn 2 GK question. What is the name of our national flower? And what is the answer? The answer is the name of our national flower is water lily. And the second question is what is the name of our national fruit? And the answer is the name of our national fruit is jackfruit. So at home everyone please memorize this question, and next week Miss will ask you. So that's all of today. Everyone stay home, stay safe, and of course listen this rhyme with me, and bye bye.
I'm the biggest fruit that grows on a tree, as sweet and aromatic as it can be. I hang from trunks and branches high and low, in hot and humid climate I grow. I have a green skin that's spiked, thick and leathery. My sweet yellow pulp is crisp or rubbery. My seeds, when cooked and peeled, make a great meal. Cattle are fed with my peel. Get fiber, energy, nutrients from me. Unripe or ripe, I taste simply yummy. My chips, curries, desserts must be tried by you. I want to know my name from you. You're a jackfruit, aren't you?